Hi, my name is Rory Daly, and welcome to Daily Travels. My final car-related stop was at AUTOBACS, Shinonome. This is part of the famous Super AUTOBACS auto parts stores and another must-visit spot if you're into JDM tuning. There's also a cafe with fashion and books on sale. They often have meets, events, and even the parking lot is often filled with the JDM stars many are looking for. So like the rest, check their website to see what's going on.